Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. In this video, I'm going to give you some stretches and exercises that you can do to help eliminate the hunchback. All right? A lot of people today are hunched over from sitting a lot, being on their computer, staring at their phones. What it's doing is constricting your abdominal muscles. They're staying in a contracted position, and it's weakening your upper back muscles, all right? Those are two of the things. And then three that I'm going to give you, I'm going to do one that's going to show you how to stretch the abdominal muscles so you can get that nice tall posture. Three benefits of a good posture of eliminating the hunchback look. One is more attractive to the opposite sex. That's huge for us guys over 40, all right? Second thing, it's going to help you look more muscular. Instead of hiding your musculature, you're going to actually be able to stick that chest back, nice, upright, and taller look. Third, it's just going to give you that alpha presence, all right? So those are three good benefits for correcting the hunchback. So again, I'm going to stretch your abdominal muscles, strengthen your upper back muscles, and then we're also going to work on some spinal flexibility to help loosen up those discs a little bit, all right? So that being said, let's get into the first one. The first is a cobra stretch. Two different ways you can do the cobra stretch. This is the exercise that's designed to stretch out your abdominal muscles. One, you can get here on your elbows and you're just going to stretch back as much as you can. This is more of a little beginner starter position. You're going to want to hold this for about 30 seconds. If this is too easy, go ahead and get a full extension. Full extension here, stretch those lower abs. And you're going to want to hold this stretch again for about 30 seconds. And you're going to want to do this for 2 rounds, all right? 30 seconds. Then you're going to go ahead and relax for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then get right back into that stretch position again. And again, just allow it to stretch your lower abs or your entire abdominal wall. Actually, it's going to stretch your entire abdominal wall. So this is going to help loosen up those abs that are constricted and tight. The next exercise we're going to do is the arch up. The arch up is designed to strengthen your upper back muscles. What you want to do here, the key to this movement, you want to just extend your arms in front of you. Go ahead and keep your thumbs up, but you also want to contract your abs, all right? Keep them tight. You don't want to arch your lower back. So to prevent that, you can contract your abs, and you're going to raise your arms up, down, and raise them. What you're going to do here is 10 reps, and you're wanting to focus on not just raising from your delts, your rear delts, but bring your shoulder blades together at the top. Again, by keeping those abs contracted, you're going to feel the emphasis in your upper back, which is what you're wanting to do. All right, you're going to do your 10 reps here, and you're going to come out to the side and do the same thing, squeezing your shoulder blades together. And you should feel this quite a bit in your upper back. And this is going to help strengthen the upper back muscles. All right. The third thing we're wanting to do is stretch your spine. We're going to work on the actual flexibility, all right? So we've already loosened up the abdominal wall. We're strengthening the upper back muscles, which is going to help pull your shoulders back. Next thing is the cat-cow stretch. Basically here, what you're wanting to do is bring your back up as high as possible, neck down, good spinal stretch, and then completely opposite. You can see that lower back there. And we're actually creating a little disc separation as well. and working on that spinal flexibility and spinal strength, which is going to help with your overall posture. All right, the same thing here. You're going to want to do this for about 10 reps, and you can do each of these for 2 rounds. All right, a third thing. All right, these are the 3 exercises. Let me take that back. One other thing I want to share with you. You're correcting your upper posture. I notice a lot of guys, because they're constantly looking down on their phones, you're starting to get the rounding in your neck, your cervix up there. So one thing you can do, I just want to add this for your overall posture, is chin tucks. Basically take 2 fingers. You don't want to tuck your chin down, you're pushing it back. It's going to look weird. Relax it, push it back. Relax, push it back. You're pushing it straight back, all right? Chin tucks. Here, here. And again, don't push it down. The goal is to push it straight back. You do those, again, 2 rounds of 10 reps. You can probably do 10 to 15. You will actually feel your neck tightening. It's actually working those muscles, and you're going to help align your back from your cervix all the way down to your lower spine, okay? So it will just correct that entire posture. But do these 4 things. I said 3, but I wanted to add that because that is something that I notice is extremely common amongst a lot of people now is the neck. So awesome. That's what I want you to focus on to eliminate that hunchback and also eliminate that forward look on your neck. So if you got any questions about any of these exercises, comment below. But you can actually do these 3 times a week. Do them every other day. You can actually do them every day, but every other day you're going to get a lot of benefits from just doing it every other day. Doesn't take long, so just implement these and kind of help correct your posture and that eliminate that hunchback if it's something that you got going on. But all right, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you got any questions about this or there's anything else you want me to film videos on, comment and let me know as well. But that's it, guys. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.